Yo my YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Click on the bell button so that whenever I make videos you'll be up to date. But yeah, let's dive into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to use this Tesco car wash. This is my first time using. Actually, it's not my first time, it's my second time, but the first time I used it was ages ago. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. I can't remember how to use it myself, but let's go. So this is the car wash. Last time I made a video on how to use the other one, the one you do by yourself, the jet wash. So we're going to use this one for the first time. Yeah. Put the instructions over there. Okay. Enter your code into the keypad. Drive slowly forward. Stop when the red light. Okay, let's just go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So, what's the code? If you have a barcode, okay. It says if you are paying by credit card. So I guess you have to choose your options here. So basically it's like if you have a code, maybe you get a code from inside the kiosk, you can just scan it. But let's say you don't have a code and you just want to wash the car. So you choose option here. So I'll choose the cheapest one maybe. Or maybe I'll go for the £6 one. It's standard. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's do this. You just need to make sure you park close enough to be able to reach. So let me just choose the standard one.
Program chosen.
Okay.
Please present your card.
I have to tap my card. Okay. Tapped it. See what happens.
Transaction accepted.
Okay. Forward. I think it says. Jesus, I have to reach this. Oh my god. Oh, press it. Jesus Christ. Maybe I'm meant to just go forward. It says forward. And that thing is showing that forward. Okay. Let's see. Start. Press start, please. Protoncee. Program 2, silver. Press start. Okay, let me just drive forward and see. That was going. Maybe I should have even gone with the cheapest one just to test it. This is wasting my time. Okay. Okay. Stop. Oh. Back. It says go back. Stop. It says forward. Stop. Okay, you can see started. So from there, if you guys can see, it's on the right side and it's also on the left side. You get instructions on what to do next. Am I meant to turn off my engine? I don't even know. Because some car wash you go to, you're supposed to turn off your engine. Just, oh my god, it pushed my mirror. I hope it didn't break it. Wait, let me just close it. I just closed. Oh shit. Did you guys hear that sound? god. Okay. It's working. I'll just leave it closed. I'll leave them closed. You can see it's going to the back. Guys, it's coming back to the front now. It's coming back. So I believe I would have to maybe drive forward and probably to have something to maybe dry the car. Okay, let's see what's next now. Let's see. It looks like it's gonna dry the car now. You see, it's blowing the water away. The back as well. It's doing the roof of the car now. You can see it coming back to the front. It's coming back to the front. Okay, let's see what's the next step. I think it's finished now. Forward, you see, it says forward, that means it's done. So I'm guessing the cheaper option, the value one, is probably just gonna be a wash. I need to unfold my mirrors, but okay, let's do that now. Unfold. Okay. Seems to be okay, no damage, done. But let's park up and just evaluate this washing. Let's evaluate this. Let's just take a quick look. Wow. This is quite impressive. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is very impressive because usually I tend to go to the jet wash, and with the jet wash, it's like I seem to be rushing. Always rushing when I'm doing it, and after you finish, you still see dirt, like marks, strokes of the brushes with dirt just around it. Whereas with this one, I think it's done a great job. This is very good. And I'm just gonna add to this, like, I'll say this is good, especially when the weather is cold and you don't want to stand outside. You don't want to just stand outside in the cold washing your car. This, you can just use this. And if you also want to save yourself money, you don't want to go to the car wash where you pay them to wash your car for you. This is good as well. You guys saw how much I spent, and the car is done. You can then do the inside by yourself if you wish. But it's also most of these places have like a vacuum. You can use a vacuum there and hoover the car, good. This is impressive, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so guys, I'm very impressed with this, and I feel like going forward, this is what I'll be using. I have a jet wash at home, but it's like most of the time I'm rushing. I don't have the time to set it up, take it out, start washing the car. Whereas when you come to places like this, they already have everything set up for you. All you have to do is just pay. It costs money, but how many times do you wash the car, or how many times do I wash the car? It's not like I wash it like every day, so, and time is money as well. But sometimes I'll have to use the jet wash when I've got more time or so. But overall, I'll say this is definitely good, and I recommend you guys to use it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, comment down below, and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.